Welcome students. Let us discuss about phenols. Phenols are organic compound which contains a OH group, and this OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. So this is phenol. The carbon which bears the OH group is sp2 hybridized carbon. So this is the benzene ring. To the benzene ring, the OH group is directly attached, and this carbon is considered as the sp2 hybridized carbon. The low concentration of phenol is used as a disinfectant in the name of phenyl. Actually, it is a white crystal, and many fruits and vegetables contains this phenolic compounds. The phenol, otherwise called as the carbolic acid or hydroxybenzene. Let us discuss the classification of phenol. The first one is monohydric phenol. Monohydric phenols contains only one hydroxyl group. The first member is the common name iupacmine. Both the name is phenol. The second one is orthocresol. Common name of this compound is orthocresol. IUPAC name is, in second carbon there is a methyl group substituent. So name of this compound is 2-methyl phenol. And third one is CH3 group present in the meta position. So this is called as the metacresol. And name of the IUPAC name of this compound is, this is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, and third position there is a methyl group. So IUPAC name is 3-methyl phenol. And here OH group is present here, and this is the CH3 para position, the methyl group is present. So this is called as the paracresol. IUPAC name, first carbon, second carbon, third one, fourth. In the fourth carbon, the methyl group is present. So 4-methyl phenol. So these are all the monohydric phenols which contain only one OH group. Next one is dihydric phenols which contains 2 hydroxyl group. The first compound is, there are 2 hydroxyl group, that is OH group is present. So common name of this compound is catechol. IUPAC name is 1, this is 2. So 1,2 dihydroxy benzene. IUPAC name of this compound is 1,2 dihydroxy benzene. And the second one is this common name of this compound is resorcinol. IUPAC name of this compound is, this is the first carbon, this is the second carbon, this is the third carbon. The first and the third carbon contains the hydroxyl group. So 1,3 dihydroxy benzene. Third compound is common name of this compound is quinol and IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3, 4. First carbon and fourth carbon contains the OH group. So 1, 4 dihydroxy benzene. Third one is dihydric phenol. That means it contains 3 hydroxyl group. The first compound which contain 3 hydroxyl group is here one OH. Common name of this compound is pyroxalol. IUPAC name is, this is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So 1, 2, 3 trihydroxy benzene. Next one is first carbon, second carbon, this is third and this is fourth carbon. This name is hydroxy quinol. This is quinol and this OH is hydroxy quinol. Common IUPAC name of this compound is 1, 2, 4 trihydroxy benzene. The next one is name of this compound is phyloglucinol. IUPAC name is, this is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. So 1, 3, 5 trihydroxy benzene. Next one is substituted phenols. The first one is orthoaminophenol. This is OH group and here the amino group is present in H2. So this compound is orthoaminophenol. The second compound is and this is benzaldehyde. So orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. The third one is so this is benzoic acid, para hydroxy benzoic acid. The last one is so this is toluene. CH3 benzene ring, when it is contains CH3 means that is called as the toluene. Common name of this compound is arsenal. IUPAC name is, this is the first carbon. So this is the first carbon and second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon and fifth carbon. So third and fifth carbon contains hydroxy group. So 3, 5 dihydroxy toluene. So 3, 5, third position and fifth position contains the OH group. So 3, 5 dihydroxytoluene. Thank you.